Hi everyone, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we will see how to create, view and delete the MongoDB database and its collections. Let's get started. First, we will see how to create a MongoDB database in the server. To create a MongoDB database, we use command. Use and the database name. Example, use employee DB. For the MongoDB server, you need a MongoDB shell. For that, run the command mongo sh. This will give you the command line interface to create the MongoDB database. Next, run the command cls to clear this unwanted info. Press enter. Now, let's create the employee database. Type use employee DB and press enter. If you see this log, employee database created successfully. Now, the employee database created successfully. In relational database contains the multiple tables, while in MongoDB, a database contains the multiple collections. Collections are similar to tables, but they are schemaless, and documents within them will replace the rows in tables. To create a collection, we make use of createCollection method, which will take the collection name as a parameter. Example, db.createCollection employees. This will create the employees collection within the employee DB. Now, before creating the collection, just check the connection is pointing to the employee DB or not. To check that, run db and press enter. Here you can see it printed employee DB, so it will pointing to the employee database. Now run the command db dot create collection and pass the name employees and press enter. If you see this message, employees collection is created in the database. Now we have created the employees collection in the employee DB. To get all the collection that are present in the employee DB, we have to run show collections command. Just run show collections and press enter. It will show all the collections which are present in the employee DB. Next, to get all the database which are saved in the MongoDB server, we have to run the command show dbs. Note, it will show all the list of database which has at least one collection in that. Inside the MongoDB shell, run the command show dbs and press enter. It will show list of database along with its size. It has a employee DB, student DB and admin, etc. Next command. Now we have created the employee DB and employees collection in the employee DB. Let's see how to delete that employees collection from the employee DB. For that, we have to make use of the drop method. db.collectionname.drop. So example, db.employees.drop. Now run the command db.employees, this is a collection name, .drop. Just press enter. If it returns true, this means employees collection is dropped from the employee DB. To test that, run the command show collections. It prints empty string. This means employees collection is deleted. Now we have deleted the employees collection from the employee DB. In order to delete the employee DB itself, we have to make use of the method drop database. In the MongoDB shell, just check DB. It shows employee, it is connected to the employee database. Now run the command db.drop database. Just press enter. It shows this message OK1 and dropped the employee DB. Now if you run show dbs, employee database is not there, it is deleted. Let's see what we have learned in this video. Use command used to create the database. db.createCollection command used to create the collection inside the database. Show collections to get the collections within the current DB. Show dbs to get all the database present in the server. db.collectionname.drop to delete the collection from the current database. db.drop database used to delete the currently connected database. Thanks for watching.